wondered why your electricity bill just keeps on skyrocketing? Well, let's shed some light on that. The cost of electricity is on the rise, and there are several factors fueling this increase. First, there's inflation. As the general price level of goods and services in an economy increases, so does the cost of electricity. Then we've got the growing demand for power. The more we rely on electricity for everything from charging our phones to powering our homes, the greater the strain on the power grid. This increased demand often leads to higher prices. And let's not forget about our aging infrastructure. The older our power plants and transmission lines get, the more expensive they become to maintain and operate. These costs are then passed on to you, the consumer. Now, imagine if there was a way to not only save on these costs but also contribute positively to our environment. Stay tuned to find out how. Have you ever thought about how the cost of traditional electricity stacks up against solar energy over a period of time? Let's dive in and take a look. Traditional electricity, as we all know, operates on a pay-as-you-go basis. You consume, you pay, and with the steady increase in electricity prices over the years, the bills can be quite hefty. Additionally, the cost of electricity is influenced by external factors such as fuel prices, power plant costs, and weather patterns, making it somewhat unpredictable. On the other hand, we have solar energy. The initial investment for solar panels might seem daunting, but let's put that into perspective. Yes, there's an upfront cost, but it's a one-time investment, followed by minimal maintenance costs. Over the years, the cost of solar panels has dropped significantly, making them more accessible to the average homeowner. Now think about the recurring cost of traditional electricity. Each month, you're paying to power your home. With solar energy, after the initial investment, the sun does the rest of the work. Your monthly expenditure on electricity could drop dramatically. Also, let's not forget the potential for excess power generation. If your solar panels produce more electricity than you consume, that excess can often be sold back to the grid, earning you some money back. It's like having an energy savings account where the sun makes regular deposits. Furthermore, the lifespan of a typical solar panel system is around 25 to 30 years. That's 2 to 3 decades of potential savings on your electricity bills. What about the cost fluctuations we talked about earlier with traditional electricity? Well, with solar energy, there's no such uncertainty. The sun, after all, is a pretty reliable resource. So it seems quite clear that solar energy could be a more cost-effective solution in the long run. It's not just about the immediate savings on your monthly bills, but also the long-term financial benefits and stability that solar energy provides. It's like taking control of your energy consumption and, in essence, your financial future. But how much can you really save if you switch to solar energy? Well, let's dive into some numbers and see. According to a report from the Energy Saving Trust, a typical home solar panel system in the UK could save around £400 to £600 on electricity bills each year. Now, if you consider that the average lifespan of a solar panel is about 25 to 30 years, that's a saving of anywhere between £10,000 to £18,000 over the course of its lifetime. Not too shabby, right? But it's important to remember that these are just averages. The actual savings can vary based on several factors. For instance, the location of your home plays a crucial role. If your home is in a sunny location, you'll naturally generate more solar energy, leading to greater savings. Your energy consumption habits also come into play. If you're home during the day and use most of your electricity, then you'll save more because you're using the solar energy directly. But even if you're out during the day, don't fret. Any surplus energy your panels generate can be exported back to the grid, and you'll receive payments for this through the Smart Export Guarantee, adding to your savings. The size and angle of your roof, the efficiency of your solar panels, and the rate at which electricity prices rise are other factors that can affect the savings. So, while it might seem like a big investment up front, it's worth considering the long-term benefits. The savings don't stop at your electricity bill either. By switching to solar energy, you're also contributing to a cleaner environment by reducing your carbon footprint. That's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. To sum it all up, the potential savings from switching to solar energy are significant. They might not be apparent immediately, but over time they add up, making solar energy not just a sustainable choice, but a financially smart one too. As we can see, the savings can be substantial over a period of time. But the benefits of solar energy go beyond just cost savings. Let's talk about the environment for a moment. Solar energy is a renewable source of power, and using it means less reliance on fossil fuels. This shift helps reduce carbon emissions significantly, an essential step towards combating climate change. And we all want a cleaner, healthier planet, don't we? Now, let's consider reliability. Solar panels are pretty sturdy and require little maintenance once installed. They're designed to withstand various weather conditions, so you can count on your solar panels to keep generating electricity, come rain or shine. And with advancements in battery storage technology, excess energy can be stored for use during the night or on cloudy days, ensuring a continuous and reliable power supply. Let's not forget about energy independence. With solar panels installed, you're no longer solely dependent on the grid for your electricity needs. This means you're less affected by fluctuations in energy prices and you're not at the mercy of power outages. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have control over your energy source. And if you're a homeowner, here's another perk for you. Solar panels can increase your property value. Multiple studies have shown that homes with solar energy systems are seen as more desirable and sell more quickly than non-solar homes. And they often fetch a higher price too. So, investing in solar panels is not just a smart move for the environment and your wallet, but also a strategic one for your property's future value. In essence, solar energy is a triple win. It's good for your pocket, great for the environment, and fantastic for your property value. Plus, it gives you a sense of independence and reliability that you just can't get from traditional energy sources. So, solar energy not only saves you money, but also provides a host of other benefits. Now, let's turn our attention to the UK. Is it profitable to switch to solar energy in the UK? In the UK, the switch to solar energy is not just a trend, it's a smart and profitable move. The government offers a range of incentives to encourage homeowners to make the switch. The Smart Export Guarantee, for example, is a scheme where energy suppliers pay you for the surplus electricity that your solar panels generate and feed back into the grid. This means you could be earning money while your solar panels work. Another point to consider is the average amount of sunlight in the UK. While it might not be known for its sunny climate, the UK still gets enough sunlight to make solar panels a viable option. In fact, solar panels don't need direct sunlight to produce electricity. They can still generate power on cloudy days. So even in the less sunny parts of the UK, solar panels can still be an effective way to generate electricity. Let's delve into the numbers a little. The general cost of installing solar panels in the UK varies, but on average it's around £6,000 to £9,000. That might seem steep at first, but remember, this is a long-term investment. With the energy savings you'll make, plus the money you can earn from the Smart Export Guarantee, you could see a return on your investment in as little as 7 to 10 years. In terms of savings, homeowners can expect to save around £400 a year on electricity bills. That's a significant saving over the lifetime of a solar panel system, which can be 25 years or more. So not only can you save money on your electricity bills and potentially earn from the excess energy you generate, but you're also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. Solar panels reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, decreasing the carbon emissions and helping to combat climate change. As we can see, switching to solar energy in the UK can not only be profitable, but also contribute towards a greener future. In conclusion, the rising cost of electricity is a concern for many. We've taken a deep dive into the world of solar energy, exploring its potential to not just save you money, but also make a positive impact on our environment. We've compared traditional electricity with solar energy, highlighting the stark contrast in costs and benefits. Imagine the potential savings you could be making every month. The money you'd spend on electricity bills could be significantly reduced, and over time, you might even start to see a profit. But remember, these are potential savings. Your actual savings would depend on your specific circumstances, like the size of your roof and the amount of sunlight your home receives. So we encourage you, consider this sunnier alternative. Do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and make the decision that's right for you. So next time you receive your electricity bill, remember there could be a sunnier and cheaper alternative out there.